This is Rexer, and guys, nakita naman tayong pato guys. Marami na tayong mga sailing ducks guys. Ito naman, ito ang binigay. Hindi ba ito binigay? Nakita ko to guys. Nandun sa may hagdanan. From Turner family. From Oliver and Sarah John Turner. Ito yung una nakita natin guys, di ba? Naalala nyo sa anong video ko. Ito yung pangalawa. Ito guys. Ayun na. That's July 15. Gemma Newbridge, Wales. Ito yun naman. Oh, what a luck. You found a duck. Congratulations. Keep it or hide it. You decide. Ito naman guys. Ito na ngayon. So, nilagay nito guys. Sale date. August 19. Selling date guys. August 19. Ayan. August 19 yan guys. So, kanina ko pa ito nakita guys. Doon sa may hagdanan. Nakita ko na naman yung pato. Mas maganda yung pato nila ngayon guys. So, tinan mo. Sailor duck. Ayan guys, ito naman may short video lang tayo guys, for update lang. Bye guys, and thank you for watching Rexer Remedy. Thank you for all your support. Bye bye.